My name is Peter Salerno. The name of my company is Peter Salerno Inc. I'm in Wyckoff, New Jersey. I'm a certified master kitchen and bath designer. I've been in this industry for 32 years, and my business really took off when I got my certification because of how good I felt about myself, how I felt about my knowledge on the industry, on the trades that I work with, and it was probably a big point in my life where I really saw my entire career just take off. If you're really serious about business and any business, you have to invest in yourself, in your business. That means that you have to put out some money in order to be able to get some money back, then that is a key element. People have to know that life and business is about risk. If you decide to take a chance in yourself and you believe in yourself and your business, you have to say, what do I have to do to be the best in the industry? And what you have to do is you have to get certified. I mean, there's no easy way around that. You have to work hard, you have to get certified, you have to make that commitment, and then from that point on, you're going to see that your business is going to change for you. I mean, I think if anyone decides that they're going to be coming into this business at any age, I think they have to see where their path is going to lead and how to get there in the quickest possible way. And I think that someone starting in the business, if they start with their certifications, with the NKBA study programs, that is going to be a way that they can just start, get the foundation, and then on their own also get artistic talents and abilities from really all walks of life, whether it be art, whether it be architecture, whether it would be jewelry. All those things are really key on developing yourself as a designer. And I think that starting with your NKBA certification is the beginning, and then after that you start layering all of these other talents that you have, all of these skills, all these gifts that you have to really become one of the best designers in the country. And I don't think there's any other way to do it. I mean, if I didn't get my certification at the beginning, I think it would take me much longer to be a high-end designer. When a client comes in and they see that you're certified, whether it's a diploma on the wall or whether it's a name tag in front of your desk, they're going to know that you have certain credentials. And those credentials mean everything because they're telling that client that you are a professional in your field. So if they're looking for a high-end kitchen or high-end bath, they know that you are a specialist. And when they come in and they see that, they understand that they're working with someone at a very high level. You know about appliances, you know about countertops, you know about tile floors, tile backsplashes. You understand all the tradespeople. You are the culmination of a professional, an expert, a specialist in exactly that field. So I started in my dad's business when I was 25 years old, and him being a furniture maker from Italy, he really had no idea who the NKBA was or what certification was. So when I started with them, I'm like, how do I grow in this industry? And basically I had no idea until I met a designer at one of the NKBA functions, and they said, are you certified? And I said, what does that actually mean? And I said, do they have certifications, the NKBA? And they said, they do. And I said, well, how do I get involved in it? And they introduced me to one of the officers in the NKBA chapter meeting, and I met them, they gave me the information, and I found my path to getting certified, which really made a huge difference in my life, in the industry. And that was really key on me actually. The trajectory of my business and my career really took off at that point. Basically, I said, look, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this in a serious way. What do I have to study for? How do I get certified? How do we achieve that certification? And what's the next level after that?